Have you ever noticed that no matter how badly you want your life to change, somehow you keep ending up in the same place? Same habits, same thoughts, same excuses, same frustration. You tell yourself, tomorrow I'll do better. But tomorrow comes and nothing changes. And the painful truth is this: your life is not stuck because you lack potential. Your life is stuck because you keep repeating the version of yourself that created this life in the first place, and until that changes, your life won't either. So today, I want to show you why your life never changes, and more importantly, how to finally fix it. Number 1, you keep waiting for the perfect moment. Most people waste years waiting for the right time, the right mood, the right opportunity, the right motivation. But the perfect moment never comes. And while you wait, life keeps moving. The people who change their life do not wait to feel ready. They start before they feel ready. Because progress begins the moment you stop waiting. Number 2, you keep repeating the same habits. Your life today is a reflection of what you repeatedly do. Not what you want, not what you say, what you do. If every day looks the same, your future will too. Same distractions, same comfort, same routines. And then people wonder why nothing changes. The truth is simple. If your habits stay the same, your life stays the same. Number 3, you are addicted to comfort. Comfort feels safe. That is why most people stay there. Scrolling, avoiding, delaying, escaping. Comfort feels harmless, but comfort slowly destroys potential. Because growth only happens when you are uncomfortable. And many people would rather stay comfortable than become better. That is why they stay stuck. Number 4, you focus on big results. Most people want huge change instantly. They want a better body, more money, more discipline, more confidence, immediately. And when it does not happen fast, they quit. But transformation is not dramatic. It is quiet, small actions. Repeat it daily. For a long time, that is what changes everything. Number 5, you keep becoming the same person. This is the deepest reason. You may want a different life, but you still think like the same person, act like the same person, choose like the same person, and your life can only change when you do. Because your future is created by who you become, not by what you wish for. How to fix it. So how do you actually change? Not with motivation, not with inspiration, with awareness. First, notice what is keeping you stuck, your habits, your patterns, your excuses. Then ask yourself, what part of my life am I unconsciously repeating? Because once you see the pattern, you can break it. And once you break the pattern, you can build a new life. Start small. You do not need to change everything today. That is where people fail. Instead, wake up earlier, put the phone down. Take one action. Keep one promise, just one. Because small changes create identity, and identity creates transformation.